Hey everyone, it's Dawn, and I wanted to come on here today because I am really excited that I found a product that I think you guys will all really like. Last week or the week before, I had shared with you some favorites of mine, and one of them was the Coconut Lime Verbena bath gel and shower, the shower spray and set from Bath Bodyworks. And then several of you had told me that you tried to purchase it and it's been discontinued, and it has been. And so I tried to recommend some dupes for it by Bath Bodyworks. They have the Coconut Lime Breeze, which is similar, but not exactly the same. It's close. And then I went into the store and I talked to someone who worked there, and they said on June 4th there will be a sale and they'll have the Coconut Lime Verbena again in the sale. And it's still discontinued, but I guess maybe they have a stockpile of it and they're using it for their sales. So I just wanted to let you know that. That's what they told me. And so I did what any good friend would do. I took it upon myself to go find a product that I would like and that you may like equally as much. So I did some Googling and I went into some stores and I sniffed some products and I tried to find something as close as it could get. And I think I found something that I even like better. And what it is by the company Tree Hut. And it is their Shea Sugar Scrub, and this is a body scrub, but they also make a shower gel, a body butter, and a mist that accompanies this product. I do have the shower gel and the body butter. I don't have the mist. And the other ones are in my shower, but I wanted to show you this product because I tend to not really like sugar scrubs. I find them to be very messy and I don't enjoy using them very much. But this one is different. It's very hydrating and moisturizing, and it's a thicker consistency. So you just scoop some of it out, and when you scoop it out, it just sticks. It sticks to you, and when you rub it in, it sticks onto your body. It doesn't fly all over the place, and it's just gritty enough to give you a really good exfoliation. And then when you rinse it off, you feel really moisturized beneath the product. And so I think it is just a fabulous scrub. I've tried many scrubs and I can't say that about many scrubs. In fact, I don't even think I've ever recommended another scrub like this one on my channel. So I am so excited that this is such a great scrub, and it is so exfoliating and hydrating at the same time, and that it smells like coconuts and limes. These products also come in many other scents, and I wrote down the other scents so I can tell them to you in case you are not a lover of coconut and lime. So there's lemon blueberry, Moroccan rose, tropical mango, passion fruit and guava, and pomegranate acai berry. So those are the other scents that I saw at Ulta, and I wrote them down. You can also find these products online, and I'm sure at many other places, but it's by the company Tree Hut. And I also got a Tree Hut Sugar Lip Scrub, and it smells very faintly like sweet peppermint, and it comes in this cute little pot, and it looks like this. The scrub I'm currently using, I have one by Sarah Happ and I have one by Chapstick, and I really like this one. I love this, the sweet mint, and I use Retin-A, as many of you know, so my lips do need exfoliating because my Retin-A does sort of creep onto my lips even though I don't put it on my lips. So when I brush my teeth at night, I'll take a tiny scoop of this onto my fingers and I'll just work it onto my lips and work it around and then rinse it off. And I think it's a beautiful product and I really like it a lot. So I would recommend the Tree Hut. It's called Sugar Lips, and it's a really cute little container. And the other things that I got were some unique products that I've only tried once. These are for my daughters. I got them each a bar of this too, and I have one in my shower that I tried last night. And it is the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Rasol, I'm not sure how you say that word, Rasol Clay Shampoo Bar. And it is a bar of soap that you use for a shampoo. It says that it has a rich lather and it washes away impurities and dirt and things like that from your hair. And I did use it last night and it left my hair really nice today. It's shiny and it's not frizzy. And I do feel that my hair is very clean and my scalp feels very clean. It smells very faintly of coconuts, and I really like that. The next one that I have here is for my other daughter, and this is coconut and hibiscus, and this smells like coconuts, and it has a slight floral scent with it, but it's not a heavy fragrance. And these are all natural, cruelty-free, fair trade certified products, so they're really great for the environment and just good for our for us. So I wanted to make sure I told you that too. And the other thing is that this is going to be a giveaway, and I purchased 2 essential travel kits with the coconut lime products in them, and it has the shower gel here, it has the body lotion, it has the sugar scrub, and a body butter. And in 1 week, which will be June 7th-ish, I will use the random comment picker to pick 2 winners, and this will be an international giveaway, so I'll send it out no matter where you live, and you can try these products and see if you like them too. So anyway, that is all I wanted to show you today. I was super excited to find some new products, especially all natural, cruelty-free body products, and that the scent can be compared to the Coconut Lime Verbena that I love so much from Bath Bodyworks. So anyway, I just wanted to stop on here and tell you about this, and I hope you all have a blessed and beautiful day. Thank you for watching my video, and oh, and I should let you know, if you're entering the giveaway, what you should say. Just say, I like coconuts and limes in your comment, and you'll be entered into the giveaway on June 7th. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.